Welcome friends, this is Balasivarama Reddy. So in this video, we will learn how to draw arc in AutoCAD. So this is the arc. So you can type arc in the command box or you can select here arc. So we will see different methods of drawing arc. The first method is 3-point arc. So click here 3-point arc. So for drawing this arc we require 3 points. So first point, second point and third point. So arc is created. So next method, next way, for here we require 3 points: starting point, center point and end point. So 3 points are required. So wherever we click first, it will take as start point. Second click, wherever second point we select, that will take as center, and the third, wherever we select, it will take as end. So click this option. Now I will select start point, center point and end point. So here in arc, drawing an arc, it takes from anti-clockwise direction. So while drawing this arc, I have selected this as start point, this point as center point, and here this as end point. So we got an arc in this fashion. Okay, so same option if we select. So here the arc is drawn in anti-clockwise direction. So same option, start, center and end. So same if I select here start, this point as start, center and end. How we are getting? We are getting the arc in this fashion. Okay, so we are getting arc in this fashion. Okay, so this is drawn in anti-clockwise direction. So I'm deleting this. So this is the method. Now we will move on to the next one. So the next one is start, center and angle. So start, center and angle. So here start, center and angle. So angle I will give 90 degrees. So 90 degrees. So we are getting the quadrant. Okay, so arc, it is joined. So if I give angle 45 degrees, let us see what will happen. Okay, start, center and angle. If I give 45 degree, the arc will be drawn only for 45 degrees. Okay, 45. So the arc is drawn for 45 degrees only. So this is the angle option. So start, center and angle. Now next one is start, center and length. So here length means the distance, chord length. So that is from this point till this is the length. So this is called the length. This is the length. So if we know this length, we can give the length and the arc will be drawn up to that point. So I will delete here. Okay, now start, center and this length. So length, if I give 50, so the length, this arc is drawn for a length of 50 units. So I will draw a line. Okay, so when you measure this line length, it will be 50. So the length is 50. So this length is called chord length, 50 units. Okay, so these are the options. So start, center, end. So same these options are available here in the reverse. So center, start, end. So center, start and end. So when you select the center, start and end, whatever first point when we select, it will be considered a center point. Next one will be considered a start point, and the third point is end point. So this is reverse of this. So this is reverse of this. So if you let us see center, so center, start and end. Center, so center, start and end. We are getting the same. Center, start and angle. So center, start and angle 90 degrees. The next one is length. So center, first click will be taken as center. Next second click, second point what we are selecting will take it as start, and now length I will give 60. Now for a length of 60 we have drawn. So these are the methods. So I will delete. Now let us see the next one. So now here these are start, end and angle. So start, end and angle. So start, end and angle. So angle 90 degrees. So we are getting, so same option. So start, end and start, end and angle. So angle I will give 50 degrees. Now the arc angle is 50 degrees. Okay. Now next one we'll move on to this. Afterwards we'll, okay, I will delete. So next one is start, end and direction. So start, end and direction. Start, end and direction. So start, end and direction, whichever direction we give, it will be considered in that direction. So here if I give direction means that angle, okay, it will be taking as angle. If I give 90 degrees, then the arc will be taken for 90 degrees angle. Okay, so same. Okay, suppose if I give start, end and angle 50, so the angle is taken as 50. Now if I want to just click the direction, so I want inside, so I will click here, start. So start, end and direction. If I want this side, so I can click this side. Okay, so this is direction. When whichever, move the mouse to whichever direction you want and you will get it. Then the next one is start, end and radius. So start, end and radius of this arc. So if I give 50, the radius is taken as 50. So radius is taken as 50. Okay, so this is, and the last one is continue. So continue means We have created the arc here at the last arc. So if I press continue, from this point the arc will be starting. So if I select here the arc, again if I press again continue, from this point I can draw another arc. If I again give continue, from that end point arc will be drawn. So this is this continue. Okay, I think you understood. Thank you for watching. Thank you.